Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com, where we specialize in virtual tutoring for middle school and high school math students. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about multiplying decimals. We know most of this already, and you can use whatever strategy you normally use for multiplying multi-digit numbers. So a lot of these are like 2 digits times 2 digits and 3 digits times 2. Whatever strategy you're used to using should work for this. I'm going to use the one that I'm the most familiar with. And we're going to ignore the decimals first and just multiply. Then we'll go back and figure out the decimal. So let me show you. So this first one, again, we're going to ignore the decimals. So 35 times 62. 5 times 2 is 10, so carry my 1 and then 0. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Then we're going to put my 0. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21, because I had to add 3. So we're going to add all that together. So we've got 21.70 or 2170. Now we got to figure out where the decimal goes. So we're going to go look at the original problem. Total from all the numbers, how many numbers are behind decimals? 1, 2. So when we put our decimal in our final answer, we need 2 numbers behind the decimal. 1, 2. So there we go. You're going to do that on every single one of these. Pretend like the decimal's not there to multiply, and then go back and count. So this next one, it's a little bit longer. 692 times 1, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3, 24, 25, 26, 27. Put a 0 for a placeholder. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 6 is 6. And I don't need that 3 because that was from before. Add those. Now, go to the original problem. How many numbers did you have behind the decimal? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Done. 4.9 times 2. If you want to kind of save space, just stick a 2 underneath that. I did them sideways to make you rewrite it, and it's also sometimes easier to type that way. But make sure that you move them around and line them up however you need so that you can use your multiplying strategy. 9 times 2 is 18, so carry my 1 and put my 8 down. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And if I look at this whole problem, the only number that's behind a decimal is this 9. So there's just 1. So 9.8. Okay, so 0.5 and 0.25. It doesn't matter what order they write them in. You can rearrange them if you need to. So I'm going to put the 25 on top and the 5 on the bottom. I think it makes it easier when the number with the more numbers is on top. The bigger number is on top. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And then let's count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I like to put a 0 in front of my decimals just so that I feel like that decimal stands out a little bit more. It's very intentional. All right, your turn. Here's 2 for you. And I'll leave it like that so you can kind of see if you want while you're working on them. So pause and then come back when you're ready. So since these both have 2 digits, it doesn't matter which one goes on top. I'm ignoring the decimal. Let's multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Add my 0 for my placeholder. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And add 2, 11. Carry my 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. And then I had 2 numbers behind the decimal. 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal. Last one. Oh, this is nice because it only has a 3. Makes it a little bit easier. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 and 3, when I multiply that, I get 12. There is 1 number behind the decimal. So there's going to be 1 number behind the decimal when I'm done. I hope that helps. If you need any more practice, there is a link to a worksheet in the description. If you have any questions or need any special videos, please send me a message, comment, all that good stuff so that you can let me know, and I'll be happy to make a video for you. Also, make sure you like and share and subscribe and follow, all those fun things, so that when we do more videos, you get notification and you know that they're coming. So yeah, have a great day. I hope that helped. See you next time.